In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perspective text in Figma. This short tutorial will guide you through using one of the powerful tools in Figma, making your text come alive with perspective and depth, enhancing your design skills to another level. First, let's head over to Figma, the renowned collaborative interface design tool that many creators turn to for its intuitive features and versatility. If you haven't logged in yet, find the login button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. Once you're logged into Figma, let's proceed to the home page. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all your recent projects and files. It's your starting point to either create new designs or revisit past creations. Now look for the Design tab. Clicking here brings you into the realm where creativity knows no bounds. It's where you can start a new file or open an existing one to implement the perspective effect we're about to explore. In the design mode, you'll see a variety of options available. Click on Action, keep an eye out for it in the toolbar. If you're new to Figma or not entirely familiar with all its sections, navigating might sometimes seem daunting, but remember, this is your creative playground and each button holds possibilities. Next, utilize the search bar to look for perspective. Typing this will lead you directly to the tools we need for this tutorial. Among the results, you should find something called the Perspective Toolkit. This toolset is essential for our task today. Click on it to unfold its powerful features. With the Perspective Toolkit open, you'll notice various options to manipulate your text into a 3D-like formation. In the toolkit, click on Run. This action activates the perspective tools in your current design file, allowing you to apply the tools directly to your text layers as needed. Now for the exciting part, you'll want to find and click on Skew within the toolkit. This specific function lets you adjust the angle and depth of your text, giving it that dynamic perspective appearance. Simply select the text you want to transform, play around with the skew settings, and watch as your text metamorphoses into a visually striking piece. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make the process effortless, and you'll soon be able to introduce perspective into any text element in your projects with ease. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating captivating designs in Figma with these newfound skills. Feel free to pause, rewind, and repeat any parts of the video to ensure you're comfortable with each step. Happy designing!